In the heart of Texas where the oak trees sway, Daca Timber Works is where I find my way. Sawdust dances in the warm golden light, chainsaws roll as I shape my craft tonight. I ain't an artist, just a man with a plan, turning logs to bowls, warm shavings in my hand. Amongst the pecans with the roots deep in the clay, transforming what's fallen, crafting my own way. I keep my chainsaw sharp, tuned up just right. They cut through the hardwood from dawn until night. Listen to the growl, hear that familiar sound. This life ain't easy, but my joy knows no bounds. I do it my way, the Daca way, it's true. Salvaging timber, giving life to what's blue. My pieces stand strong, they never disappoint. Each bowl and vise is a tale, a story to anoint. My old wood lathe spins like a dance in the wind, throwing shavings around as the magic begins. Every log tells a story in its rings and scars, turning history into beauty that travels the stars. This craft takes discipline, every tool has a song. Well, cared for and ready, I know where I belong. With hands worn and calloused, shaped by heart and grit, I forge my legacy in every piece I split. I do it my way, the Daca way, it's true. Salvaging timber, giving life to what's blue. My pieces stand strong, they never disappoint. Each bowl